In other news, if it's one contract you're being advised to take out and read again, it's your home insurance policy. Nearly a month into the 2024 hurricane season, and we're already seeing heavy rains and flooding in some areas. But is your home covered for flood damage? Well, in this next report, our Anthea Ferguson explains why insurance experts are admonishing all homeowners to get more familiar with their home insurance policies.
Rainy weather over the weekend causing flood pockets in the capital, leaving some residents frustrated and even antsy as we head deeper into the 2024 hurricane season. But this story is not new. Flooding in the country has for decades been a vexing issue. And that's why officials at the Insurance Commission of the Bahamas is advising all homeowners to KYIP, Know Your Insurance Policy. Darren Rogers, the Commission's manager of intermediaries and market conduct, says now is the time to dust off those documents and get to reading.
The absolute key point in this case is know your insurance policy. You go, the bank or whatever lending institution would oftentimes tell you it's a requirement to have the insurance in order to get your mortgage. Okay, cool. You get your mortgage, but you don't know what you got when you got your insurance policy. Go ahead, pull those contracts out, read those contracts. It is imperative that one determines what is covered. So you got to look at the coverage. You got to look at exclusions and exceptions, okay? Ensure that flooding is there. If flooding is not covered, I would encourage you to visit your insurance company and determine how best you can work that into the contract.
Excessive rains are usually cause for major concern in areas like Pinewood Gardens, Seabreeze, Cowpen Road, and even Bay Street. Reports of 7 to 10 inches of rainfall, in some instances more, making roads impassable and causing damage to cars, property, and homes. In addition to experiencing a flood, though, Rogers says that reality could be made much harsher if you try to claim for flood damage and find you're not covered.
We find that quite often persons just get the coverage because it's required, okay? And even with the requirement, listen, if I'm going to sign something and I'm going to pay, I am going to be responsible for making certain that I know what I paid for and what I signed for. And so, yes, a lot of times we would have found complaints coming into our organization where persons would have said, oh, I don't have this, I thought I had it. And when you review the documents, you find, well, no, you didn't sign up for it, unfortunately.
And Rogers says insurance policies are simply contracts that can be adjusted to suit your needs. So the advice here is to negotiate the best product for you, stay current on your payments, and ask the right questions. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Anthea Ferguson.
Hello, everyone. I'm Fern Carey. Thank you for watching our YouTube page. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all things Z&S.